Hi there! So here's the Mi LED Smart Bulb. Now smart bulbs are internet capable LED light bulbs that allow lighting to be customized, scheduled and remotely controlled. Which in simple terms means that you can increase and decrease the brightness with the help of an app. This bulb is capable of producing 16 million colors. Yes, the color that you can imagine, the bulb will produce. So you can change that using an app. A Wi-Fi connection is a must. If you don't have it, I highly recommend you don't buy this because you'll need an app and a stable Wi-Fi connection to use this. You can schedule it, you can decide when to turn it on, turn it off. You can voice control it with the help of Google Home and Alexa. Well, in this video, we're going to unbox it, we're going to see the setup, we're going to see how well it works. Continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let's jump into the unboxing. Here is the retail packaging. On the front it says 16 million color options, 11 years long life. Let's open the box quickly. Inside the box is a user manual which is in English, and here is the Mi Smart Bulb. The build quality of the bulb is impressive. It has the E27 base, which is the screw type base to mount the bulb. So here is a quick comparison of the Singh Smart Bulb with the Mi Smart Bulb. The first difference you can see is in the base. B22 pin type socket on the Singh while E27 screw type on the Mi bulb. The B22 pin types are more conventional though. Adapters to switch them are easily available. The Mi bulb build quality is superior compared to the Singh. The top on both is made of plastic, so chances of breaking are slim. Let's move on to the setup. You can use any Android or iOS device for this. Go to the Play Store or App Store and install the Xiaomi Home app. Log in if you have an existing Mi ID or sign up. Once done, click on the Add device. Choose Lighting. Now you connect your Mi Smart Bulb to the light source. Once it's turned on, we need to set it in the pairing mode. For that, you need to turn it on and off 5 times for a 2-second cycle. The bulb will show a multicolored effect and then turn white, which means it is now in pairing mode. Come back to the app. It will detect your Mi Smart Bulb. Enter your Wi-Fi password and in a few seconds the setup is complete. Let's have a look at the app interface and its features. The brightness can be increased or lowered by swiping up and down on the screen. The percentage level is displayed above. Moving your finger horizontally and you can change it from white to yellow or to warm white, basically controlling the whites to yellows as per your choice. Below you can see the colors tab. Here is where you can choose any color of your choice. Similarly, you can adjust the brightness of the color lights by swiping up and down, and to change the colors, swipe horizontally. The option to change the colors is almost infinite. Let's have a quick look at a few. On the top right of the app, you have the option for settings and scheduling the smart bulb. You can set it to turn off after a few minutes like a sleep timer, or even schedule it to turn it on and off at a particular time and day. Let's pair the Mi bulb with Alexa so that we can voice control it. Go to the Alexa app on your phone. On the left, go to Skills and Games. In the skills, search for Mi Home. Enable this skill. It will ask for a Mi account login. Enter the same login password you used for the Xiaomi Home app. The setup after that should take a few seconds. Once done, go to the devices and you will see light bulb. You can rename it whatever you like. You can adjust the brightness and change the colors from here. Let's have a quick voice demo. Alexa, turn the light bulb color to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the light bulb color to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the light bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the color of the light bulb to white.
Okay.
Alexa, dim the light bulb to 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, make the brightness of the light bulb to 100%.
Okay.
So in my conclusion, everything on it just works. You can schedule it, which means like I use it for my Gurdwara, where it is scheduled to turn on in the evening and turn off at night, which means I don't need to remember to turn on the switch. So it works like a breeze perfectly well. You can decide the colors, everything can be preset. So scheduling works great. Remotely controlled, you can turn it on with the help of an app, and that app doesn't even need to be connected on the same Wi-Fi. It just needs an internet connection, and once paired, it will turn on the bulb from wherever you want on earth. All you need is just an internet connection. Then coming to the light, well, 16 million colors. Could have you asked for more? You can't even decide which color to have. There's so many, everything, mood, lighting, scenes, everything available in the app where you can decide. It will keep changing colors, smooth transitions, disco lights. It just works. It works great. Everything else is good. Now coming to the pricing, this is where I think Xiaomi missed the mark. This is selling for 1299 rupees. While if you see the competition, the Singh 9 watt is selling for 799 rupees. Now this is 10 watts, that is 9 watts. There is a 1 watt difference, but trust me, when it comes to comparing them side by side, is barely any difference. So you can save almost around 500-600 rupees by going for the Singh. You will get the same scheduling, turning on, turning off options. You will get the same scenes. You can remotely control it. You can change the colors from the app. Everything exactly the same. If you're looking for something that has a better quality and longer life, then it's the Mi Smart Bulb. If you're on a budget and it will work absolutely the same, then you have the Singh Smart Bulb. So I'll leave the links in the description for both. Do check them out. They both are worth it. Trust me, they're interesting products to have in your house. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments if there are any questions. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.